I just entered in on these shorts. Overall, this is a plus setup. We have a SMT with the New York PM high above, and I'm overall just looking for a continuation lower right now towards that PM session low that we have below. I am just looking for a base hit type of trade here though. So yeah, we'll see if this could play out. Looking for around 2.5 RR here, 25 points as my target. So yeah, let's get it. Let's set our stop as well right there, and we'll see if this plays out. Overall, whatever happens here happens. This is a plus setup for me personally, and I've accepted the risk of this setup, right? So my psychology going into this is I'm accepting the risk that I've actually placed on this setup. So yeah, also to the right, I do have ES pulled up. We're just keeping an eye on this. You can see the SMT right here with ES. Also, if we take out this low here, about a break even. All right, so that is my main break even point right there. I'm risk free on this trade now. So yeah, we'll see if this could play out here. I do want to just kind of ride this momentum down, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I do want to see a closure below this wick as well. This would be a bearish market structure shift as well if we can get a closure here. So yeah, just gonna let this play out now. See if we can smack. And bang, TP smashed. Let's get it. One of the quickest trades ever, right off open. And this week in general, I have not been trading the open too much, just because I've honestly not been in my setup. But yeah, quick trade recap. Pretty much what I saw to take this trade right here was, first we had a SMT here with the New York PM session high. So SMT with New York PM high right there. And then we had absorption come in. We actually had two absorption confirmation candles. This could have also been a short entry here if you were looking at charts a bit earlier into market open. But yeah, my entry here was off of this first deviation of the VWAP band, which you can see we tapped once, tapped twice, and then my entry was right there on that rejection, right? My main target for this session is still New York PM low, even lower. But yeah, I am good with this base hit of 25 points, risk 10 points, so 2.5 RR for this trading session. Very, very quick trading day. Now I'm done for the day. Probably going to go on a run, clear my mind for the next trading day tomorrow. Going to get some other work done as well. Might post some TikToks. We'll see. We're going to do a bit more detailed of a trade recap as well. Let me just mark out the actual confluences that we did have, right? First things first, if I hop onto the weekly time frame, higher time frame, we did have a bullish higher time frame narrative overall. But the thing is, we are trading right now in this weekly rejection block, right? So we tapped into it and we kind of rejected out, as well as this rejection block right here. Now, overall, that's just something I had in mind. Daily time frame, I am definitely a bit more bullish on the daily, but if we take a look at the lower time frames, we do actually have a unfilled 4-hour gap right here. If I turn off all of my indicators for right now, you can see that we have this imbalance below right there, which I do want to actually see get tapped into and rebalance right before running higher. So higher time frame, I am bullish, but looking at the internal, or not really internal because this is the 4-hour time frame, but just in general, looking at what I want to see more short term, I want to see this rebalance to this unfilled 4-hour at 646 before then running higher back up to take this high, right? So my main draw on liquidity for this trading session was that unfilled 4-hour gap, as well as when we actually take a look at the lower time frames. If we pull up our session liquidity right here, you can see that with this PM session high, if we pull up ES here to the right, if I clean up my chart, 1 second. If we take a look at this PM session high, you can see that there was actually a bearish SMT with this New York PM session high. So right here at the highs, ES swept out this session liquidity, while NQ did not sweep that out. ES and NQ, these are correlated assets. They usually act similar. And when they don't act similar, when we get an SMT, when one asset takes something out, like a session liquidity pull or a significant higher low, oftentimes we'll get a nice reversal if the drawn liquidity is correct, which my drawn liquidity is this unfilled 4-hour gap below, as well as this PM session low below that we do have. So session liquidity below paired with a imbalance. Imbalance is an unfilled 4-hour gap, as well as we also have a lunch low. So we have relative equal session lows below, as well as the imbalance, as well as we just kind of need a pullback after this SMT's in to then continue price higher time frame, right? But yeah, very, very simple day. Done for the day now. And yeah, overall, if you guys have any questions about this setup, make sure to comment below. Also, I do think that this will keep running lower, but I am good with this base hit here for today. Let me just mark up all of the actual confluences that we did have. First, we had a SMT, open, high, low, close, hour 4 drawn liquidity below, as well as New York PM low, as well as New York lunch low, relative equal lows. So we had a few things below, and then entry was OnlyTicks V2 entry. I used like a session bias, right? So for this session, I was bearish, as well as we had a retest of VWAP, and that was simply my entry. We also did have absorption right here. We had multiple absorption kind of fueling price to the downside. So we had big institutions, big banks into the market with us, right? And this is my OnlyTicks V2 indicator. These are institutional confirmations that confirm when big players, big banks, big institutions actually enter with a large amount of contracts, whether that's 50 contracts or 100 contracts, 150 contracts. I pretty much had this coded into one single candle confirmation, and it is super, super cracked, right? So yeah, overall, this is the setup from today, and here were the confluences. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure to leave them in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this type of live execution video, hit that like button, as well as comment if you have any questions. Also, hit the like button because it helps the channel grow and helps spread some of my wisdom to more people out here. But yeah, very, very simple day. Now I'm done for the day. About to hop off the charts. Not going to keep trading. About to go on a run, or maybe I'll go to the gym, hit some abs or something. Also, right now, if you are a trader who is still not yet funded with a prop firm, or you get funded, but then you crash out, or you don't know how to manage your risk properly, or you don't have an actual proven edge in your trading based on thousands of trades tested, as well as just overall proof of concept, then I currently have an offer where I guarantee to work with you one-on-one until you actually get funded, max allocation with any prop firm of your choice, and secure your first ever prop firm payouts, or scale up to 10K a month just from trading profits alone, right? Now, in my mentorship, I do 7 live coaching calls per week with me, where we go on stream, we go over higher time frame analysis. I go from the weekly, daily, we do everything. And I basically review your trades as well in our one-on-one chat. We have those 7-day-a-week live coaching calls, as well as video modules A to Z with homework, where you actually have to complete the tasks in order to go onto the next video module. Also, just want to throw this in here that today, one of my students just secured his first ever prop firm payout. So yeah, huge shout out to you, Davin. You earned it. You put in the work. You know, you followed the systems, you followed the right structure, and most importantly, you beat your own mind and you beat your own weak points that you had back when you were a total crash out, right? So this is just the start for you as well if you're watching this right now, and I'm super, super hyped to watch you grow as a trader. Also, I just went to the gym actually with one of my students. We met up in person and we hit a lift, and he said after we met up IRL, he's all of a sudden hitting bangers. I may have given him a little bit of some secret sauce in person. Just maybe, just maybe, just maybe. But yeah, he just hit a $1,900 trade on his Lucid funded account, which is absolutely fire. It looks like the buffer's already built. Now he just needs like one more trade to secure a payout. So yeah, super, super fire. Love to see it. But yeah, everybody's crushing it. Also, shout out Kenny. Kenny just joined the mentorship as well, and he's getting to pass his first ever prop firm evaluation right now. I'm coaching him up pretty much from zero. So he's a brand new trader. So stay tuned for his journey as well. If you're interested in getting coached by me and you're serious, you want to improve your skill set and you want to place a bet on yourself, then the first link in the description below is where you can apply to work with me and get coached by me. Until next time, love you all. Do not crash out. Hit that like button. Really helps get my work out there to a lot of traders who may be struggling right now. So yeah, if you're new here, subscribe, hit that notifications bell as well to get updates on when I post next. Let's finish off this week strong. Good looks. Peace.